Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hover car. Oh yeah, I have an animated face, that's why I'm blinking. Oh yeah, and for some reason, I see the mask and a tongue when I go like this. Weird. But, let's get building. So, you're going to need to have 4 rods, like this, and you're gonna do this. You can make it anything you want, but I'll just make it as thin as possible. I'm not gonna use 0 because 0 is literally the worst. But yeah, make sure to use 0.1 because you want to make it match up. Hold on, did my cousin just join me? Did you guys see that? Alright, so use 0.1 to make it match. See? Like that. Not like this. Like that. And do it on the other side. Alright, and then place another block. Ah! I can't right now. Sorry guys, oh. Yeah, you're gonna have to do this. And then you can go back. And then look at that. Perfect. And then if you have the clone tool, you can just do this. And make sure the corners are hitting each other. Because if they don't, then yeah, you can't make the hover. You know, I'm just going to use 0.4. Yeah, that's much better. And then now I can make another wall. And then copy this. Oh yeah, you guys can make it out of any material you want. And look, make sure the corners are hitting or else they'll just fall down. Yeah. Alright, and then you want to place, actually, you can make it 2 rods. You know what? It's fine. Then place your, actually, I'm just going to rotate this. If you have this, you can, yeah, right, now it won't fall down. Alright, and then when click this plus button, match rotation, get 2 buttons. Where's my button? And then, yeah, you just press R, and then R again, and then you can paint them whatever color you want. I'll paint them blue. And then you place your car seat. Then you make this as high as you want. For me, I'm just gonna make it 4 for each one. And now, for the final part. We place the motor to make this, and this. And visible. And boom, you have your hover car.